Now this illustration deals with a no-niche type luminaire in accordance with NEC 680.23D. A no-niche luminaire naturally has to comply with 680.23D, and it consists of your luminaire lens and body. It's a line or low voltage type supply. The luminaire bracket and conduit termination means complies with 680.23 B2 little b. Your wiring methods are still the same that we would use, except you could use rigid metal conduit, IMC, or PVC in accordance with 680.23 B2. And then, of course, your deck box location, if you do not have the effective barrier, is the same as you see. You have a 8-inch height vertically from the water level, minimum tap water level. You have a 4-inch vertical clearance from the deck, but you still have the 4-foot minimum back from the inside walls of the pool. And then notice the note says to get a better handle on these requirements, see 680.23 and 680.23 B3. So this illustration just deals with a line or low voltage, no niche type luminaire in accordance with 680.23 D as in dog, and that's what our figure 11-30 is illustrating.